Welcome to Fantastic Maths. This is Mr. V, and in this video we will factorize a monic quadratic expression that may involve negative factors by cross multiplication. In this example, we want to factorize the expression x squared plus 4x minus 12. So obviously we've got some negative terms here. And we're going to do this one by cross multiplication. Now, the way cross multiplication works is it's a shortcut to the factorizing by grouping. So make sure that you do understand that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start by looking for the factors of this x squared. That's our starting point. Now, right now, there's only two options. We have x and x. Secondly, we're going to look for factors of c, which is this term here. Now here's where we're going to have to do a little bit of trial and error. So we're going to kind of cycle through the next couple of steps. So let's just start somewhere. We'll start with -1 and 12. Okay, now remember, these need to multiply. They need to multiply to make this term. What we're then going to do is we're going to cross multiply across these terms. So we're going to multiply x with -1, and we're going to multiply x with 12. And we're going to add them up and see what they add up to. So we have -x, and x times 12 is 12x. And we're going to add those up. We're going to add them up. So we cross multiply, and then we add them up. And we're going to check to see if that equals this bx term. So the bx term is this term here. So we want that to be our final answer. Looking at these, minus x plus 12x is going to be, that's wrong. That's going to be 11x. 11x. Which is definitely not equal to minus 4x. So this combination doesn't work. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cycle back to step 2. And we're going to try again. So I'll rub out the bits we've done, and we're gonna try again. Okay, let's do this in a different color. Let's go blue. What are some other factors for -12? So we've tried -1 and 12. They didn't work. So let's try -2 and 6. So we use -2 and 6. X times -2 is -2x, and x times 6 is 6x, and minus 2x plus 6x is going to be 4x. Now that's close, but it's positive. We want -4x. So it looks like the numbers are right. We're just going to swap the signs. So let's do that. Instead of -2 and 6, we will try 2 and -6. If we do that, we're going to get the reverse situation. So x times 2 is 2x plus -6x. And that's going to give us -4x, which is what we want. It is what we want. And now it's quite simple. Our last step, our step 6, our answer is simply these terms that we found here grouped together. So this expression, it simplifies to x plus 2 and x plus -6, so minus 6. Now all of this, the cross multiplying and the checking, you can do that quite quickly. You can even do it in your head if you want. You just want to show this working to show that your solution does actually match the equation that we've got. And that's it. That's how we can simplify by cross multiplying. Fantastic.